So welcome back again. So we are going to move on to the second hypothesis now, motivation versus firm performance. So we want to look at or what is the relationship between motivation and firm performance. Is there any relationship between them? Any significant relationship between them? So the same thing we did for training and development is what we're going to do here. Just repetition, nothing else. The same thing. So but this time around, just passing our two parameters here. We replace this one with motivation this time around instead of training and development. So it's so easy. Okay. So we still retain this one. Okay. So now we use our Pearson correlation coefficient. All right. We see print and 3 decimal values and our p-value in 4 decimal values. We ask the same question here. If p-value is less than or equal to 0.5, then do the same thing, which means reject H0, and which means a significant relationship exists between motivation and firm performance. Else, it does not exist, which means we fail to reject H0. No significant relationship exists between them. Okay, so we print our scatter plot to see the relationship chart. All right. So when this one is run, when you run this one, you will see that we have our result here. Okay. So let me run it before so we have our result here. So you have a relationship here. Can you see? So we have 0.616. Okay. Our p-value is 0.00, which means that the relationship exists between motivation and firm performance. All right. So this is our plot here. You can see our plot. All right. So you can give a same salutation as in form of you can say that okay, so you have strong relationship between two of them, which is correct. The relation is 0.616, which is strong positive relationship. As significance is less than 0.01. That's our P. Highly reliable finding. Practical meaning: higher employee motivation leads to significant better firm performance. In other words, when you motivate your employees, it increases the firm performance. That's what it means. In simple terms, more motivated employees, better company performance. And this connection is both strong, both strong and statistically proven. So, which is what we have done so far. So, this is what we have for second hypothesis, right? So that was very straight and direct. Okay, so we are going to stop there now. I want to do the hypothesis one by one so that it won't be complicated, so that you can see the result and it can be easy for us to follow. So this is just what we have for the second hypothesis. So in the next class, we'll move on to the third one. The same thing that we are going to do. So we just pass our data in. So thank you so much for listening. I will see you in the third hypothesis.